Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Doogee V20 to an Android device. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. Following that, just send on Doogee and receive on an Android. Now you need to click on all of those type of dots and select send. So sorry, misclick. Send over here. This way you can choose all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do that now, so I will go into Photos category, select one of them, for example that one, just send and click on Get It. Now on an Android, tap on No Thanks and close this window. Finally, we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by using this scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app or on use time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can always just input this key over here and tap on the receive button to connect those smartphones. And now, as you can see, in a matter of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!